this so exciting? What? We have. What? Whoa! wait, hold it up. Hold it up. What are you getting? What is that? Aren't they so cute? What's on them?
Flowers.
Flowers? What do you like best about this short?
The pocket.
The pocket? What can we put in that pocket?
A jelly bean.
A jelly bean? What else?
Hamburgers.
A hamburger. Yeah, that would be great. What's next?
The shirt that goes with it.
The shirt that goes with it? What does it say on it?
Believe.
Oh, believe. It says be kind, but that's good. Starts with the B. Uh-oh, another. Is there more? What's this one?
Cheetah print leggings.
Oh, what color?
Pink and red.
Pink and hot pink, That's really so cute. What's this one?
A stripy
A
leggings.
stripy one, yeah. Like a color block, right? Did you see the gold heart at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that? What is it? Would you know what that says? What's it say?
Girl.
Girls can do everything. Okay. Right? Right? Whose are these?
Mommy.
Are we gonna match? Yeah? We're gonna look so cute. Look for mommy. That's a really great. Look, do mine have a pocket too? You love them?
Yeah. This.
So cute. Hold up those. Twinsies.
Mama.
So cute. Look at how tiny. Does yours have a gold heart on the leg too? And the same top. Does this top say girls can do everything too?
Yeah.
Turn it around. Let's see.
Oh.
Girls can do everything. What's your? Oh, one more shirt. One more shirt in there. Oh my gosh. So cute. Be kind. Another be kind. What's your favorite? What's your favorite print?
This one.
The cheetah one. Woo! I love you. It'll be so fun, huh? Okay, close it up. There we go. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.